In NC Simul 2023, you can load multiple tool libraries in a single project and set their active priority directly from the job tree. Right-click on any available library and notice the new options increasing or decreasing the library in the tree order. If it's on top, it's prioritized. You can also now deactivate the library entirely without emptying the tool magazine. Deactivated libraries will always be shown on the bottom. The green check mark indicates that that library is active for the current process. The green square indicates that tools are being utilized from that library. This provides a couple advantages. One, if you have, say, tool 5 in each library, you can dictate which one is automatically loaded into the spindle. If you are assembling a master tool library in NC Simul from a CAM interface, you can have a permanent library attached to the machine while importing and saving more tools on a job-by-job basis. Having these functions available from the tree adds another ease-of-use factor for preparing the project for certification.